Tucson. Got in yesterday and got settled. It's my first time here ever, even in the state. It's a little bit interesting. I probably shouldn't have watched all of Better Call Saul before I got here. Because to pick up the bike that I rented, you basically gotta drive, or like me, I got dropped off in the middle of the desert near a storage unit, and then you go through this whole process to get into this facility and open up the storage facility and then pick up your bike. It was all really weird. None of the images were matching up in the instructions to what I was actually seeing, so in my head, I just saw myself like getting abducted in the desert. No one would ever see me again. But that didn't happen. It was all fine. Got my bike, all good. It was just kind of a little bit funny, when you're first time in a new place. It's like, whoa, what's happening? But anyways, so today I'm gonna try and head up Mt Lemmon. So I'm just getting ready. It should be a little easier than Mauna Kea, I hope. Of course, every time I do these trips, like I try to, look up as much info as possible. And it's like one route is saying it's like 60 miles, one route is saying it's like 30 miles. So it's probably somewhere in between or more altogether. So we'll see. I'm just gonna head out, see what happens, get some breakfast, and then hopefully I'll be up towards the mountain pretty soon. All right, see y'all later.
So far, so good. Man, this is awesome. The incline so far is not bad at all. It's like, you know, I've only been coming up the mountain a little bit and it already just looks pretty incredible. I think I said earlier, it reminds me of Crete. It really does. It was kind of hilarious because instead of olive trees, I mean, look at that. It's all cacti. It's amazing. When I was in Hawaii, I went through about every single microclimate, and you know, at one point I did go through a desert part, but it looked nothing like this. So it's really cool. We'll see how much longer the easy incline lasts. Who knows? But so far so good. Loving it.
Jesus Christ, girl, what are people gonna think when I show up to one of several funerals I've attended for Grandpa's suite? With you, with me, someone's gotta help me dig. Someone's gotta help me dig. Jesus Christ, girl, it hasn't been long, so it seems, since I was picking out an island and a tomb for you at the Hollywood Cemetery. Kiss on me. We should let this dead guy sleep. We should let this dead guy sleep.
Oh my god, dude. So the hike a bike section finally started for me. Again, I'm almost at, it always happens right around 9,000 feet. That's when all these mountains get hard. You use up all your gas getting up here, and this last mile just is killer. Oh. Feels like I'm walking underwater. It's crazy. Oh, I mean, hey, I'm still happy with how I did getting to this point, but it's like this time, no matter what, I'm getting to the top. There is no way I'm not getting to the top this time. And check it out over there, snow, so cool. But yeah, can't wait to get up there. It's wild how different it is up here too. All the trees. Man, there's a restaurant back there that I didn't even know about. There was a way back one that I did know about, but I wanted to get up here, so I skipped it. But they close at like 4:30. It'd be so nice to get there before they close. We'll see. Man, it's gonna be a long way home. All right, see ya.